Is everything okay in there? You've been in there a long time.
I'm fine. We need to talk.
Now, I didn't mean to interrupt your private time, and I do understand what was going on in there. It's normal at your age, too. Experiment. Now, where did you first hear of this?
Gosh, I don't know. Maybe some of my friends talked about it.
Well, if your friends jumped off a bridge, would you?
Gee, Dad, you're right.
I'm glad that we can talk about these things. If you ever have any questions, you should come to me, not your friends. So, let's go get some ice cream.